Uptown Swing, Level 1 Charleston on Tuesday nights with Peter and Naomi.
For this weekend only.
We started with a review of the basic, but we took it down a notch.
So we just did, instead of rock, step, kick, step, double kick, we went to touch,
back, forward,
step,
forward,
touch,
and back.
step.
And remember, we're moving our bodies, not just our feet.
And think of it either way. You can think of it like just touch, step with that bounciness. Or you can also think of it like back, forward, forward, back. Both things are happening. And when we chill out the feet, sometimes our body gets better. I think you all really put your body into this one. That really helped.
All right.
Now we put the basic back in. Rock, step, double kick. Same body, slightly kick your feet. That's all. Then
we walked around with it.
we walked around. Rock, step, chillin', chillin', chillin'. I'm walking, I'm walking, I'm walking, I'm walking. Psych. I'm walking, I'm walking, I'm
Single,
walking. Psych.
double.
So it's single, single, single. This is double kick. If we make it kick steps, it works exactly the same. Rock step, kick step, kick step, kick step, double kick. Rock step, kick step, kick step, kick step, double kick. Rock step, kick step, double kick. Oh my God, we've just recreated the basic.
Then we learned something new. It was the kick away.
That's right, so we started like this.
Let's show the whole thing quickly because we're taking a long time.
Double kick, double kick, double kick. Then we got back home. The way to get into it is to do a basic first. Hey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
On the 5, we hit the hip.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Boom, now we're in it. Hey. Every time I hit the hip, we go again.
Double kick.
When I grab the back, we're done. Hey. And that's it. Excellent work, everybody. Pointers for you. Remember, not this. That's the boo.
Boo.
This.
Yay!
So if you can get that bounciness, that's really, really helpful. If you can do that by yourself, bonus points if you can do it in the basic. Good luck, everybody.